If you're struggling to manage strategy and innovation in documents and spreadsheets, 𝐼𝒂𝒄𝒊𝒂 can help with a complete suite of out-of-the-box software tools for strategy and innovation management, AI-powered and easily tailored to your exact needs. It starts with strategy development software, enabling AI-powered analysis of trends, customer needs, competition, as well as core competency and opportunity analysis, ultimately rolling up summaries of all phases of the process. Then delivering a strategic roadmap and summary strategic plan for use in your unique KPI dashboard. Then we move to innovation portfolio management with phases based on design thinking, with process forms for each phase, from new idea to production, with workflows tailored to your unique process. And finally, beautiful dashboards for tracking actions, KPIs, and progress metrics. 𝐼𝒂𝒄𝒊𝒂 solutions can be delivered in days, are easy to use, and provide rapid ROI to our customers. Schedule a demo today and see 𝐼𝒂𝒄𝒊𝒂's strategy and innovation solutions in action.